Hey everyone, welcome to Serpstat. This is Natalie and I will be guiding you on this SEO tool or software review, which is all about Serpstat. But before we go ahead and do so, I just want to make a quick shout out about this awesome lead generation tool that we have over at Serpstat. So if you are looking for white label audits for your website, then we have the perfect tool for you. And if you want to know how that works, or how that can benefit your business, then we have a free guide showing you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. All you gotta do is leave your first name and email address, and then click here on the I agree to be added to the Serpstat mailing list, and then click on the find out how button. And then afterwards you should be able to receive or the Serpstat team will reach out to you and get you that free guide that can get you going and start your journey with this lead generation tool. So having said all of those, today I promised that I will be showing you the dashboard or the main dashboard for Serpstat once you're already logged in, and I have it over here. So this is what the main dashboard for Serpstat looks like if you're already logged in. If you type in serpstat.com, then you will immediately be brought on over to this dashboard web page instead of being directed to their landing page, which is the previous one that I've shown you on the video for the overview. So this is what the dashboard looks like. As you can see, you have all the tools on the left side over here. You have your profile over here, language of your choice, Serpstat updates. If you want to upgrade subscription, you can click on this one, and then here is where you enter a domain so that you'd be able to assess or have the different functions of Serpstat work for you. Here you can also see the projects. Currently we already have 8, and scrolling down you'd be able to see all of those projects there. And if you want to expand that or see just a dedicated project, then just click on this one. So we will be going over all of these, like what specific sections are included on a separate video, of course, just so it won't be too overwhelming for you to see or to learn about everything all at once. So these are the current projects that we have currently with Serpstat, and I will also be showing you how to create a new project once we get started. But yes, this is basically what or how it looks like. Here, if you scroll down on the sidebar, you'll be presented with a lot more options to choose from. And we will also go over that on another video. But yes, that is how you can see it's a very minimalistic dashboard, nothing too fancy, just straight up results, and that is what you're looking for. So you wouldn't want anything that's too fancy, but you're not getting the results that you need. So this is exactly what you need, and this is exactly what you want for your business to improve in terms of SEO and PPC. So on the next videos that we'll be making, we'll be going through specific specific sections, just so we can get to know, or we can understand Serpstat a lot better. So please do tune in for those succeeding videos that we'll be making. But of course, don't forget to drop by and check out that lead generation tool that I've mentioned earlier. I'm gonna leave the link on the description box down below. For this video though, please don't forget to like and leave a comment for any takeaways that you have, or any thoughts, any curiosities that you have about Serpstat, and we'd be hoping to answer all of those on the next videos I will be making. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next video.